When considering Frase for your business, there are a few things you should know before buying. This software promises to make your content creation easier, but how does it compare to others in the generative AI space? Let's dive into the key things you need to understand before making a purchase. First, the user experience. Frase is known for its clean, user-friendly interface. Unlike some competitors, which can feel overwhelming with features or have steep learning curves, Frase keeps things simple. But while it's easy to navigate, its real power lies in the automation of content workflows. This might be great for businesses with multiple tasks at hand, but it may take some time to explore all the capabilities fully. Next thing to consider is its focus on SEO. Frase's AI is designed to help you create content that's optimized for search engines from the start. While tools like Jasper or Writesonic also offer SEO features, Frase takes it a step further with its deep integration with Google's algorithms. This can give your content an edge in search rankings, but if you're already using another tool for SEO, the added benefits may not justify the price. The third thing to know is its pricing. Frase isn't the cheapest option on the market, especially when compared to other generative AI platforms. If you're on a budget, you might find some competitors more cost-effective. However, the value it offers with its comprehensive content creation, research tools, and SEO integration can make it worth the investment for businesses looking to scale their operations. Next up, let's talk about the content generation feature. Frase's AI generates high-quality content that sounds natural, but it's not as customizable as other tools like Copy.ai. If you're looking for highly specific tones or styles, Frase might not offer as much flexibility. That said, for general content creation, it does a solid job of keeping things on point and readable. The fifth thing to mention is how Frase handles research. The platform pulls data from top-ranking pages to suggest content strategies, which is fantastic for streamlining your research process. But some users have found that it doesn't always provide the most detailed insights when compared to more specialized research tools like Surfer SEO. Now, let's touch on customer support. Frase offers decent support options, but it doesn't quite match the level of assistance you'd get from some competitors. While it has a knowledge base and live chat, more complex issues can take longer to resolve. So if fast customer support is important to you, that's something to keep in mind. The seventh thing to know is that Frase integrates with many popular platforms like WordPress, which makes it a great option for those who already work within those systems. But if you use platforms like Shopify or other niche tools, the integrations might not be as seamless as you'd expect. Next, let's discuss automation. One of Frase's standout features is its ability to automate much of your content workflow. While this can save a lot of time, it's important to note that it's not perfect. Automation can't fully replace the human touch, especially for highly creative or unique content. The ninth thing is customization. While Frase is highly effective in its default setting, it may not offer as much customization as some other AI tools. If you need granular control over every aspect of your content, you might find other platforms, like Jarvis, more suited to your needs. Now, consider the scalability. Frase is excellent for small businesses or teams just starting out with AI, but as your needs grow, you might hit limitations with its current features. It's not the most flexible solution for large enterprises or organizations, requiring a high level of customization across various content strategies. The 11th thing to consider is the AI's learning curve. While it's easy to get started, getting the most out of Frase does require some time spent understanding its full potential. If you're used to more basic tools, you might need a bit of training to take full advantage of all its features. Finally, while Frase provides solid tools for SEO, research, and content creation, it may not always offer the most in-depth analytics. This might be a deal breaker for users who rely heavily on detailed metrics to guide their content strategy. In conclusion, Frase is a strong contender in the generative AI space, offering a solid combination of content creation, research, and SEO tools. But if you're looking for a more tailored, scalable solution for your business, consider trying out our recommended software, which you can test for free. It might just be the better fit for your needs.